Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome back everybody, let's update the overview on the gold market. So you could see that market is slowing down the action, and we could say that probably it is stuck around 26 area. So what does it mean? Theoretically, it could mean that the technical factor starts working, or alternatively, or maybe not alternatively, but together with this factor, it could mean that euphoria around Donald Trump victory start fading. This is normal, just because in general we could say that it was emotional reaction, and combined with the pure technical moments where investors start closing positions that they have opened previously to get some insurance on possible unrest in the United States, some not quite governing transformation, power transformation from one block to another. Now they just have close these insurance positions and start watching for some more risky assets such as the Bitcoin stock market and so on. And this process was lasting for approximately 1-2 weeks already, and it's maybe start fading. At least it's one of the ideas that may be. This is absolutely normal. It's just because actually when we talked today on the forum this situation, it was a reasonable thought announced that we just need to wait when the dust will settle a bit. Indeed, trying to dive in the euphoria that stands in the market here is purely emotional performance. It might be really very costly. But within the just 1-2 weeks, Donald Trump will meet the reality, where they will have to make efforts to fulfill the promises that he has given. And that might be not very simple. It might happen that not all the initiatives will be completed or will get the chance to be fulfilled. For example, Antony Blinken, he was speaking on the NATO summit, and he was relatively frank on his position in the current ongoing processes that stand in the United States. He is at the edge of the retirement already, so he's absolutely not becoming the official person. And he said that, well, approximately the 50% of the Donald Trump's appointments that he has announced might be not get the approval in houses, in the Senate in particular. Yes, Republicans have the little majority there, but it might be not enough. And not all Republicans also support Donald Trump. So it might be a really tough situation where Donald Trump will make the efforts to reach the obligations, fulfill the promises that he has given, but he could get lots of headwinds on this way. And it seems that investors are gradually also start thinking about this and returning to some reality and the common sense performance. So whatever it is, you can see that on the weekly chart market, although it has spiked a bit 30% level, but mostly it stands around weekly oversold and the 26 area. So the bread and butter trade we're still watching for. And currently, since we see some response on the technical support area, we see that market stopped downward action, at least for now. Now we could stay focused on the intraday charts, on the daily chart, start searching for possible signs that here indeed market could show the pullback. So on the daily chart, we do not see something really special yet. Only the thing that market stands around the first target that we have specified, 2550, which is 127 extension of the XA swing. This is typical target settlement for a situation where you're watching for hand and shoulders, but hand and shoulders hasn't formed. In this case, you could use this extension of the potential head to the downside. It works in 99% cases. And you can see market right now stands also here. Market they were sold on the daily chart as well. On the lower time frames, in the current moment, maybe because of Friday or because just too few time has passed since market has completed this target, we did not see yet any response. So on full time frame chart, all that we see is just minor harmonic pullback, and it's not really very fast. So mostly the same as here. So we can't call it as a kind of the bullish pattern, and that's a really clear bullish sign that we need to use. Not yet. So probably next week we will keep watching, but something more reliable and clearer has to be formed before we will take an action. On the hourly chart, the same story. Market is still calling around the target completions. The OP has been completed, but it's difficult to call it as something really bullish. So we just need more time to see. Yes, we have multiple divergences here, but none of them is worried. So this big divergence totally failed. With this downside continuation here, we have another one, but whether it will work or not, it's difficult to say. I prefer to not rely on the divergences if they are forming not around the very strong levels. So, except this divergence, we probably have nothing more. And although, as I said, the background here is rather healthy, for a possible pullback, we have strong levels, oversold, potential bread and butter trade, so some background is ready, so it is great. But market still can't form yet the confirmation, so that's the thing that we need. Let's hope that maybe next week, in the beginning, Monday, Tuesday, we will get something.